It's not even from Easter. It's a Christmas bell. A Christmas. You can't even follow. Who gives this shit out on Halloween? Who does that?
4 people.
It's a fucking Christmas bell.
Here, have another one.
Ew.
Who wants
Keep your grandma candy away from me.
That was a horrible
You want any gel?
Oh.
Ah! You bitch!
Yes.
Yes.
I'm wearing makeup.
It's the Christmas bell.
Where did all that candy go?
I'm stealing these Grand Supremes. Who knows? They might be good.
They're not.
They're not.
Are you
Make
sure?
sure when you leave there's no wrappers or candy on my
There
bed.
won't be any wrappers or candy. You freak.